Follow the steps on how to edit product images with floating effects like this in Photoshop. Let's start with a new document. Add a solid color with light gray as the background. Then insert the product image. Click the selection tool, then select subject. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate, then delete the previous layer. Convert this layer to Smart Object. Open Properties and set the angle. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate, then set the angle to the opposite direction. Resize and adjust the position. Go to Filter and add Gaussian blur. Add a new layer. Activate brush and set brush hardness to 0%. Adjust the brush size and click on the image. Hold Shift Alt and make it like this. Duplicate and move to the back. Reduce the fill or opacity. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.